Hey everybody, Alex from Corso here, rocking the head and the heart on Concert Shirt Friday. Today we're doing an unboxing video for the Bedrock Automation OSA Remote unit. We already filmed the opening of the box, but we look forward to playing with that. We saw those announced at ICC, figured we wanted to grab one since that's a good entry point for an integrator to get into their program and kind of get a feel for their platform and everything they offer without having to get into the whole PLC and I/O rack and modules and everything, which for just getting started and figuring things out and getting comfortable is a little bit of an investment, but we wanted to get our hands on their hardware, and this is a great option for that. So excited to build something with it, and we'll keep you posted with more videos on what we come up with. Thanks. Okay, here's our Bedrock Automation unboxing video. So they're universal breakout cables for wiring up inside your panel. Looks like the ends are crimped and labeled. That's awesome. We have two of those. And what we've all been waiting for, the OSA Remote. This is their all-in-one PLC. You can basically use it as an RTU device, I/O, PLC, everything built in. Let's see what we've got here. Nice box. What do we got here? Platform specifications. This looks like probably the general catalog of all their I/O modules, how everything's wired up, how it works. Sure, it talks about their security, which is their main thing. Here's the insert in the box, how the termination cables work, what the unit looks like, network connectivity, communication, power, and it's blank. And here's the actual OA, or what is it called? OSA, sorry. Here's the OSA unit itself. Probably weighs 2 or 3 pounds. Got a heatsink on the front, UL listed. Here's where your cables plug in. Cables, nothing on that side. Power connectivity on the bottom. Looks good. Look inside for additional parts. I/O channel accessory kit, terminal block plug, Ethernet interface module. RJ45 plug. These are the terminal blocks for, let's see, what do we have here? So we have 2 ports for cables, so if we wanted to do terminal blocks to wire directly to the unit, those would go in here. We probably won't use these for what our purposes. We'll use the breakout cable, and then here's your power supply. And we'll probably pull this all apart before we actually turn it on. But that goes in like that. I think that's a pretty solid unit there. Let's see while we're looking. Let's just put an insert. I think that's a pretty solid unit. I'm excited. Hey, thanks for watching our video about the Bedrock Automation OSA Remote. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and let us know what else you want to see us unbox in the comments below. Thanks. And for the Bedrock Automation, one thing we did not point out, because I just saw it after I finished filming, is everybody signed the inside of the box. Thank you, Build on Bedrock, Albert, CEO, and Scott, John, Alyssa, Charles, Greg, Craig, I don't know, looks good, James C. Awesome, that's the stuff we like to see. Thank you guys. Looking forward to breaking this out and programming on it and building something useful.